Welcome, today in front of me OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first, let's launch Google application. After that, tap on the right down corner and click to the settings. Then click to the voice and tap to the voice match. But first, be sure that Google Assistant is activated on your device. After that, click here to OK Google Switcher once. To activate it, click Next, read the description, tap to Yes, agree, and say OK Google. OK Google. OK Google. And tap to finish. Now we should add our voice model. So okay, we just do that, sorry. So we shouldn't do that again. And now just when we'll say okay Google or hey Google, we can see that this feature is turned on successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.